Hello everyone, one important feature that you can on with some chats of your phone or all, whichever you want. So that is of privacy, that is of advanced chat privacy. When you go to the description area, the information area, scroll it down and you will have this option. Turn it, tap on it and you will have this on your screen. It is advanced chat privacy where you can limit how many messages and media from this chat can be shared outside, or this chat media will not be directly saved, right? And AI features etc cannot be used or unread messages, and you cannot export the chat from here. I'm going to show you one feature that is being disabled because the advanced chat privacy is enabled, right? So I'm going to the settings and I'm going to export this chat. I'm going to try it. Let's see if it is possible or not while the advanced chat feature is on, right? So see, I am going to export the chat, and if it will be, then it is a fraud, right? But let's see if it is or not. I tap on do it your way and see, this is what I'm getting. Cannot export chats because advanced chat privacy has been turned on and prevents exporting this chat. I tap on OK and I go to the chat, that particular chat of do it your way, go to the description area, the information area. It is not being recorded because of some privacy issues that are defaulted. But anyways, if I turn it off, then see, try yourself that will the chat be exported or not. See you next video. Tada.